y'all, it's me. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's me. Hey y'all, it's me. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Thank you for watching my video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this glueless bob wig that I got from YasGrl hair company on Amazon. I'm going to leave all the details for this hair down in the description box, so check it out and keep on watching to see how I got this look. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how the hair comes boxed and all the things that come inside the box. So first we have the wig itself in a silk bag. Then we have a pouch full of goodies and a wig cap. And lastly, we have a booklet with instructions on how to take care of the hair. Now I'm going to show you what all comes inside of this pouch. So first we have an elastic band that has the Velcro for easy application. Next we have an elastic band for inside the wig. Also a toothbrush. And now for the wig itself.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine up. If you're laughing, every night you make you mad up. Now only you can love and make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mine up. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Girl, I love you every day. I'ma dance with you, my money I go pay. For your love, I go pay, yeah. It make it money, Jay, I see you do this for you every day. When you call, when it's back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. You got a psycho, you got traffic psycho. If you nice, you go drive me psycho. If you pretty, but then make me mad. Make you sing to the
Alright, you guys, I am done. Why I always wear a black shirt when I have black hair? This kills me. But I hope you guys can see it clear. Y'all, I love this company. I love this wig. Like, everything they send me, I love it so much. So first, I'm going to tell you guys the specs on this hair. So this is from the company YasGrl, and this is their pre-pluck light Yaki straight blunt cut bob with HD lace. And this is a C-shaped part, and it is 180 density. So as you guys seen in the beginning when I showed the wig, there's literally only lace at the perimeter, and where this part is, like, there's no lace. Past this point, literally the tracks start here. So you don't get much space with that, but this is really like a great throw on wig. This wig is not glued down. As you've seen, I put no hairspray, no nothing. I just put makeup on the lace. In the beginning, I was planning on like pushing the hair back because I really didn't want hair falling in my face. It was cute, but I just wasn't feeling that at the moment. So I ended up just making like a swoop and pinned it to the side with some cute pins that I had. I think I got these from Shein. This was a long time ago, so don't quote me on that, but I'm sure you could find some there. But I really like love this wig. Once I put heat to it, I only put heat to it to like straighten out the bump that was at the end. I really don't like those bobs. So I just ended up flat ironing it. And it came out so nice. And y'all, I feel like once I put the heat to it, it got like extra like flowy. It's very much moving. I hate a stiff bob, and this bob is moving. It was moving before, don't get me wrong, but I feel like the heat did something. I really wanted to add like a small piece of baby hair, but I just wanted to show y'all that you guys did not need it. I honestly, no, this was a good place. I really love this wig. This is gonna be my go-to throw-on wig when I don't feel like doing my hair. Like, this hair is so good. It's textured. I don't know if you guys can see. I really like that about this. So it's more realistic. It'll look like my hair more than anything. So yeah, I usually never do like glueless type installs. It's always at least hairspray. But this time I decided, like, if not needed, why do it? It's literally a throw-on wig. Like, if I wasn't recording, it would have took me 5 minutes to do this hairstyle. I'm not playing. Not at all. If you guys like this hair, I'm going to link it down in my Amazon storefront so you guys can find it. And I really hope y'all get it. I really recommend this company. They've always been so nice to me. And the hair quality is amazing. The lace, even though it's not much of it, it's amazing. Like, it's thin, the knots were small. And I also want to note that the knots were bleached. So yeah. So if you guys like this video just as much as I did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.